In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on email notifications in Google Forms. If you use Google Forms to collect signups, feedback, or quick surveys, getting an email the moment someone submits a response can save you time and help you act faster. The process is quick, and once it's set up, you won't need to keep checking the form manually. First, open your Google form in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that owns or can edit the form, since only editors can turn on notifications for themselves. You can open any existing form you've already created or the one you're currently working on. Once it's open, you'll see the familiar tabs across the top of the form editor. Next, click the Responses tab at the top. This is where all submitted answers are collected. You'll see a summary view with charts and counts, plus options to view individual responses. Think of this tab as your control center for incoming data. On the right side of the Responses tab, look for the three vertical dots, also known as More Options. Click those dots to open a small menu. This menu contains a few helpful tools for managing responses. The one we want is specifically designed to keep you informed without constantly visiting this page. Now click Get email notifications for new responses. When you select this, Google Forms will start sending an email to your Google account each time someone submits the form. In most cases, you'll see a small confirmation or a check mark next to the option indicating it's enabled. From that moment on, every new submission will trigger a message in your inbox so you can review details right away. A few tips to make this work smoothly. These notifications apply to you personally, not to every collaborator on the form, so each editor can choose whether to turn them on. If your form is popular, consider creating an email label or filter in your inbox so notifications stay organized and easy to find. And if you ever decide you no longer need alerts, open the same menu and uncheck the option to turn them off. That's it. By opening your form, heading to the Responses tab, clicking the three dots, and selecting Get Email Notifications for New Responses, you've set up instant alerts. Now you'll receive an email each time someone submits the form, helping you stay on top of responses without any extra effort.